we're a country of immigrants. And when people come here, they might not have credit history, they might not have proof of income which is sufficient for the conventional financial institutions to provide them a loan.
So we help individuals who have commitment and potential, but maybe don't have a great credit rating to get access to financing and access to mentorship to help them, increase their quality of life through entrepreneurship.
They tried their best to help us and provide us the mentorship, the accounts help, accounting help, marketing help, anything. It was a great experience to work with them. Without them, I won't go this far.
All the work it's all done on a volunteer basis. And why they do it? Because they're passionate about microfinance. Let me first talk about the Rotarian Action Group for Microfinance and Community Development. That is a global group, worldwide. This all started back in 2009, and it was a collaboration of the Rotarian Action Group for Microfinance and Community Development, along with the Rotary District 7070 Microfinance Committee. Got together, wanted to put on a forum to talk about microfinance, to start building some awareness in Toronto.
And then I come to the idea, we're talking and educating public about it. What about Canada? Because microfinance is naturally belong to the third world countries, where people don't have any access to any financial means. And we always ignore the idea that Canada is developed with people who coming to this country from those developing countries. They have the same needs, actually. And I start thinking about the idea, why don't we introduce this idea to the Canadian public? And this is how this idea was born. Logistic of this story is looks like this. Rotary Club will provide financial support to emerging entrepreneurs who don't have any other access rather than from us. And we talk to the Access, which is a community fund.
Access is a registered charity based in the Greater Toronto area, where we provide microloans and mentorship to individuals with economic barriers from across the GTA. So we help individuals who have commitment and potential, but maybe don't have a great credit rating to get access to financing and access to mentorship to help them, increase their quality of life through entrepreneurship.
So Access introduced me with the Scarborough Rotary Club. And since then, Scarborough Rotary Club, it's helping me to giving me mentorship, any accounting help, marketing, and even for location, any help I ask from them, they help me. So they are really the backbone of my business. Without them, I would not come, this far actually.
But in terms of how we met Rinkee, she came to us through the Warden Woods Community Center, through the people on the ground there, heard about the loan program, was really persistent, really personable. We all know and really enjoy her personality. So she basically applied, and we got to know her, helped her with the business plan to develop her business model a little bit further.
Our District 7070 Microfinance Committee has been working with the Rotary Club of Scarborough to start a microfinance project in that area of the city. So what they've done is raise some money, and they are going to sponsor a budding entrepreneur into starting her new business, which is a travel agency.
Access given me in the first round $1,500. Even though it's not too big amount, but it helps me a lot. I bought computer with like a $700-800. I bought computer. Then I bought a fax machine, and then importantly, they want to see what I'm doing with the money, right? So I showed them that I'm using up those money properly.
So first of all, what we have with the Scarborough Club is a partnership where we have a client that needs mentorship, and that's often a condition of the loan. It's often an essential part of the client's experience. We're able to pair them up with somebody with the skills of the Rotary Club, and they work with them on a one-on-one basis. So that's the nature of our partnership. What I would say to other Rotary clubs is, first of all, as a microfinance organization, we're really, really happy that to have a committed service organization. So I think that, you know, the possibilities there, and if you're willing to sort of take the steps and build a relationship with your local organization, it's definitely a good thing.
This idea is very likable idea. Just people love it and think that it's a great community development idea. Because what you do for your community where you belong to, you help people to build sustainable business, to build their future, to provide for their families. And this is real idea stands behind those loans. If you imagine the term of this loan is 12 months. Every 12 months we can help one more entrepreneur using the same money and helping people to develop their life further and develop their businesses.
It took me 9 years to come true my dream, but it came true. But help of Access and Scarborough Club, Rotary Club.
The people that are involved with Rotary are involved because they want to get involved. They want to get involved not only in their community, but also internationally. It is humanitarian service that they do. And our motto, Rotarians, their motto is service above self.